To begin using the SEQTA Engage Parent Portal is very easy. With the email that has been sent to you, you have a number of different options available to you as to how you wish to access the portal. The first is via PC, and you can use the link here in the email, set up your account now. Alternatively, you can download an app from both the iOS store and also the Google Play Store, depending on your device. This will enable you to have direct access to the information on the portal via an app, and also receive push notifications and messages as they're sent from time to time. If you do already have the app on your device that you've downloaded from the store, you can very simply click on this QR code on your mobile or tablet device, or alternatively you can scan the QR code with the device's camera if you've got the email on your PC or Mac. I'm going to proceed as a PC user. So if I click on the icon, I'm actually taken to a page which looks like this. And you can see that SEQTA Engage is asking me to set up a desired username. It can be anything that I choose. It's important though that you remember this username in the case that you forget your password, because you will be prompted for that. But you can make it anything that you want. I'm just simply going to use my name. I'm going to set up a password of my own. I'm going to confirm that password, and then very simply going to click login. That's it, I'm in. I'm presented with a home page.